All right, folks, we got us a fresh trade in here. It's a 2014 Work and Play Toro toy hauler. I'm gonna do you a quick walk around video of it. It does have stabilizer jacks all the way around it. Has a bed that comes down in the very back in the toy part. Comes down from the ceiling. It does have a TV that'll reverse and turn around, and you have an outside entertainment center. Here's a look at the inside of it. It does have two more beds that double into a booth for a table here in the front. They'll fold up like this when you're hauling your toy out of the way. There's your bed. It's electric and it goes up to the ceiling. There's your TV that folds around, entertainment center. Over here you have your sink and your stove. Microwave. There's your refrigerator. And here's your changing room. Sink and shower, commode. This camper is all self-contained. A lot of cabinets, a lot of storage. From the bed, when everything's folded up and you're hauling your toy, the length is just under 13 foot. I'm not sure, but I was told that a 4-seater RZR is 13 foot. I'm not sure, I've never measured one. According to those measurements, it wouldn't fit, but I can't remember for sure how wide it is. But to the top of this bed, when you come in, to the top of this bed right here, to the floor, is 74 inches. That's to the floor, to a piece of wood right there. I can't remember how wide it is. I'll have to measure it again. If you need to know, just give me a call, text, email, whatever you prefer. Like I said before, it's a 2014 Work and Play. Does not have a slide on it. Has AC units, all self-contained, heater, bathroom, storage tanks for your fresh water, everything. If you got any questions, give me a call, 606-515-7164. Thank you.